Hi, this is Dory, and I'm Mena. We travel with our lovely dog Fiona to discover the most beautiful locations, and our goal is to share with you what it's like to live as a nomad. So thanks for following, and welcome to our channel. Wow! So here we are with beautiful Zen, which is a 2020?
Yep.
2020 Escape 5.0 with Tim and Sarah, who are so kind to show us their beautiful, beautiful camper.
We came all the way to see you.
All right, let's start here. Oh, yes, these are the new doors. We didn't have doors like that. How do you like that door?
How was her door? Was it
it
slide?
And then that is the way you keep the bugs out.
Awesome. And you can hand
Yes.
you can hand
right through
margaritas through
Yes,
there
you
and
can.
everything.
Cold beer fits fine.
So this is what keeps it open.
Yep.
What we had is we had a hook,
Ah.
and the hook would hook to the body to
I've
keep
seen
the door
that.
open.
Yep.
Is that right?
Yeah.
They did this. So it's a one-piece construction. Everybody thinks it's two. It's one.
Yeah.
In order to get in bigger components, they put in a bigger door.
Oh.
That's why they did it.
Great.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we got
And
it.
I love the profile. It's like kind of straight profile. Ours bumped out a little bit over here.
It was curved. It's a
Yeah.
curved wall.
Yeah, exactly. All right.
You don't have to take them.
Oh, that's okay. Oh, I love your floors.
I think we got that idea from you too.
Wow, beautiful.
This is the, it's not the oak finish, it's the maple.
Oh yeah, it's nice and light.
Right, and it's got translucent windows. Which
Oh, I love that, the frosted windows.
yeah,
I
we
love
thought we
that.
were going to put things in there to light it up, and we never did.
That's okay. Oh, look, yeah, that beautiful big fridge. Yeah, I miss having a big fridge, I'll tell you that much. So the furnace, and then your storage, your microwave there, a little bit more storage. Your Dometic is that Dometic?
Yeah, it is.
Dometic air conditioner and Dometic fridge. And oh yeah, isn't that U dinette amazing?
Very much
I love
so.
it. Guys, if you can get the U-shaped dinette, do it. It's so worth it. Now, do you have a quick, the quick release that pops it up?
Yeah, you want to see it?
Yeah, I do. Oh yeah.
Springfield.
Springfield pedestal.
It's one of the new things. They also now offer lagoon table, which is
Okay.
really nice too.
Oh, I haven't seen those.
I want
And so you have the counter extension there?
Yes, we do.
That's great.
Except for, there you go.
Oh, lovely. So that just gives you a little bit more space for preparation.
And we have.
And you got these on here too?
Yep.
So that way you can put a drink over here while you're having your meal or your phone or whatever.
Or computer work, which is more likely. So
Yeah.
you can separate computers and liquid.
Yeah, absolutely. You don't want to have the liquids near the laptops.
Right.
For sure. And yeah, those lovely blinds. Oh my gosh. This brings back so many
I bet
memories.
it does.
Oh, that's interesting. We didn't have this type of... This is all new. Oh
These
my
are
gosh.
awning style. So
Yeah.
you can keep them open in the rain.
Yeah. I think we had them, but we had a different system to open them.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah. But it's been a long, it's really testing my memory. Oh my gosh, you have the oven! Killer.
It's not that great.
No?
It burns food.
Oh, does it?
Yes, and they,
Oh yeah, okay.
you know, once in a while a piece rattles off. And so then we have to go back in and find out where it come from.
Oh, but do you enjoy having the 3-burner
Yes,
top?
very much. We're constantly doing that. We don't cook inside unless it's inclement weather.
Okay.
So we like to cook outside. But we do use that stove a lot.
Good. Yeah, and having the 3 burners, that's helpful for sure.
Yep.
And you have the fan up there and the moon roof.
Mm-hmm.
And the bathroom.
Oh my gosh! Look at the floor. I'm proud of the floor.
Oh my God, that's beautiful. Did you make that?
Yeah, I bought it and then I brought it in my shop and customized it and got it all.
Where did you buy it?
I think I got it at Home Depot. $35.
That's really nice.
And it's really nice wood. It's
Yeah.
hype wood, so it's very strong.
Awesome. Yeah. Yeah, really great.
We travel with this here so it doesn't fall off. 'Cause
Yeah.
I still have the original.
Yeah, I remember that. I think everyone experienced that. And you have the hooks there and some fans. Oh, fishing pool.
Yeah, I'm bringing that for my daughter. So.
And so you have storage down here in the steps. You know, I always wondered if they could just replace the carpet with something that was easier to like wash, like kind of like this, but I love the floors. But no, they didn't do it.
What they tell us is it's standard carpeting. If you want to rip it out, rip it out.
They told us the same thing.
Yeah, and I never did. We're going to because it's starting to get stained now.
Yeah, but I would think that they would at least want to give people the option.
Right.
Anyway,
Like people add
yeah, they
things
might.
and they put fancy
So,
cabinets
all right, so this
in.
is like your emergency stuff, I guess.
Yeah,
that goes
just
down
it's a
there.
junk drawer and it's got a lot of junk in there, so we'll let that one go.
Yeah, and oh yeah, the curtain. That's nice.
The fans
You
are.
guys gave us
They
that
should
idea.
sell these with it because they're so mandatory.
Yeah, because of the condensation in this area.
Right, and the circulation.
Oh yeah, that's a really good idea for air circulation.
And then
The bed is awesome.
Yeah, I remember the bed being amazing, and it's like it's fun. You really feel like a kid because you're up in a cubby. You feel like you're in a treehouse almost. You know what I mean?
go on in.
It's
like you're playing house.
really fun.
There's another one.
And the moon roof, I love that too.
We use that almost every night when we sleep. We'll crack it open a little, and
Yeah.
the ventilation up here is just
It's great.
first rate.
Yeah, because you have air from there. You could open your windows a little bit. You have your little reading lights on the side. And you guys opted not to have a TV in here
No,
because
we put it back here,
oh,
and
okay.
then we never took the TV with us.
Oh,
We don't use it.
yeah.
So,
I mean, because you're away and you want to be enjoying your vacation,
You wanna be
your time
outside.
off. Yeah.
So-
So
and the last thing you're going to want to do is do TV on. If you need to catch news or something like, we had big events this week in the U.S. with Roe versus Wade.
okay.
But we can get that all on our computers.
Yeah, we learned that on Facebook.
Yeah.
So Facebook becomes our news channel, for better or worse.
Right. So you can get it. You don't need a TV.
True enough. True.
And I hate commercials.
And okay, so remind me. So this is for the lights. That's lighting.
Yep. And this is for an outdoor light right
Okay.
there.
All right. And this again. This
That's
is a
the awning.
power awning. Oh, amazing! We didn't have the power awning. That's really great.
I keep going back and forth. Do I want the manual awning or did I want the power? We've had problems with the power awning. It just unfurled one time
Oh no!
all by itself.
Oh.
And that costs money to fix.
Oh,
So-
that's too bad.
Yeah, but I also heard of somebody with the manual one coming open while they traveled, and it ripped it right off.
Come on.
Now, it was just a couple weeks ago.
Wow, that's
So-
nuts.
Awnings are
Do you use your awning much?
a lot,
A lot, because you see, we never did.
really.
Yeah, and then so when we were building the van, we didn't want to have one on the outside, but we ended up getting one that suction cups to the outside, and we still don't use it. We bought it again. Like the Casita, we never used it. The Escape, we never used it. We got one for the van, we never use it. It's like you'd think we'd learn from the first 2 campers. So you have the key, and you can put in the PIN code.
Yep.
So that's really cool.
Show me these lights.
Oh yeah, these are seamless. We never had seamless. It was like there was something different. It's just like I remember, but I don't remember at the same time because it's so long ago. It was 2 years ago.
This is cool.
Yes.
For a few years.
Oh,
USB
look at
ports
that.
and,
Nice.
Yeah.
That's great.
12 volts.
And your
Yeah.
compartment.
And
Your 110 is here. Yeah.
the other different thing, you see, babe? He has the small lights. We got the big, long
Yeah,
ones.
that's right.
And you don't have
Oh.
a reverse light in this.
No.
And
don't like
you have a
I was
backup
surprised.
camera.
I remember
Yes.
the video. I was
Which
like,
comes
oh,
in so
it's
handy.
like, it makes sense. Because the Casita app.
Oh, I bet. The backup camera, that's
Backup camera is
key.
awesome.
So what is this?
Oh, that's my OTR antenna.
Okay.
It's a flagpole that I can manually raise, put the state of Colorado flag on there,
Oh, that's cool.
and you get a little bit better cell reception.
Oh, awesome. That is great. And you have 2 solar panels, so you have what, 200 watts total?
380.
What?
Yep.
Wow.
That is
We're
outstanding.
fully charged by 8 a.m.
That is outstanding. Oh my gosh. We have 320 on the van. We thought that was a lot.
It is.
That's outstanding. We only had 100 when we had ours.
And a bird
So-
pooped on our...
Oh, it's good luck.
Bathroom
It's
and
good luck.
And also the other difference, I had
It's the hot water heater,
underneath.
the back of the fridge,
Yep.
the outlet for the furnace,
Yep.
And we even
That's
had an
your
extra one that
dumping
we carry all
pipes.
over.
Oh,
in case
that's
if one
that's
fails.
very handy to have a light there.
I
And
wish
then
we'd
this
open-
is an outdoor shower, is
Yes.
that right?
One on each
On
side.
each side.
On each
So whichever
side.
side's more private.
Wow, that is great.
I wonder what they replaced
That's
this
really
with.
great.
That's a good question.
And then what's this?
They were big.
So that's another little
I think mine was
Oh,
big.
for cable. Okay,
Yeah,
got it.
I think it is too. Yeah, that's
Level. And do you have the level?
Yes. Now, not the one you have, but we have one inside here. Right here.
Oh, great. Okay. You have a level there. You know, to be honest with you, I thought that big level that we had,
You ever use it?
Never.
you never use that?
Well, you have to turn it on outside.
Right. But if you're at the dump, Dory reminded me if it's like really dark and you have to dump and all that, that's so handy.
Yeah,
It
it's
is.
true.
Yeah.
I put
Absolutely.
them on all the way around so we'd have some kind of lighting.
Absolutely. Agreed. That's great.
I just have never turned
The
on.
only thing we don't use is the cable. This thing.
Oh, because you don't have TV.
And nobody ever offers cable. So I'm not sure why they put that on, but
Yeah.
they did. And people constantly ask me about the antenna up there
Yeah.
because it looks so high tech. It's an ornament, really.
Yeah.
even
Because you don't use it.
Right.
Oh, well, she's beautiful.
She rides like a dream.
Yeah.
You were absolutely right in your assessment. I love towing this thing.
Yeah,
It's small, but boy, we sure can go everywhere with it.
Oh,
And
yeah.
A lot of
Small but big.
Yeah, and a lot of fifth wheel owners say, you know, I just drive to where I'm going to go and then I stay there. But with yours, you could go wherever you wanted to, which is what we do.
Yeah.
So, yeah, it's really nice,
Yeah. Because it's really big. You have a lot of space on the inside.
right?
But to tow it, it's really small. It feels like a small camper.
It does, and
Yeah.
it's impervious to wind.
Yeah.
And that queen size bed, a full 60 by 80, is every night you know you're going to have a great night's sleep.
Yeah. You know you're going to sleep in your bed no matter
Yep.
who you're visiting, no matter where you're going.
Right.
Yeah.
So it's great. We really love it. Every time we get gas, somebody wants to talk about it.
Yeah.
So
No
that's
kidding.
fun too. It gets a lot of attention.
We did have a little bit of a learning curve turning with this because it's a little bit different from an actual trailer.
Exactly.
But yeah, you just got to watch your corners when you're going around.
It turns at the axle,
Yeah.
not the back bumper.
Yeah.
And that's a slower turn.
Yeah.
But it's worth it because the handling is so improved.
Yeah. It's great.
So we love it. We're very pleased with it. They're, if you wanted to buy this trailer, you'd have to offer about $6,000 more than we paid for it,
Yeah.
which is crazy. But that's what they're going for.
It's all about supply and demand. And at this point, there's so much demand.
Right.
So, you know, at the Escape Manufacturing, they ramped up their manufacturing. They, you know, made it bigger. They started being faster at manufacturing.
More
but
lines.
yeah, but I mean, still, it's come to the same thing. What's the wait now? Like a year? More?
It's
2
less
years?
than that now. It's
Is
coming
it?
down a little bit. It
Okay.
was over, they were 18 months out.
Yeah.
And and then it just started to come down
That's
recently.
good.
So
That's good for new buyers.
yeah,
Yeah.
you can get one.
Oh, she's a beauty.
I do love the windows. I love keeping them open in a rain. They'll see the Zen on the back. I think
Yeah, they will.
anybody at the forum knows the Zen.
At the where?
At the escape forum.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's a great source of information.
Boy, you're not kidding.
You know, I found sometimes it was a little overwhelming because a lot of it was like I didn't understand what they were saying.
Right.
So it was so technical and so many engineers on there, and
Yeah, right.
it's just like.
But they'll explain it with
Yeah.
time, and it doesn't seem to work. The Tundra matches up beautifully with it.
Oh, it does. Yeah, the colors are beautiful. Well, thank you guys so much for giving us a tour.
Well, you're welcome.
It was so great to meet you also.
Yeah, it's fun, and you have a great channel.
Thank
and
you.
we love it.
Oh, I'm so glad. So hopefully we'll get to see you guys down the road somewhere.
I hope so. If
All
you're in
right.
Colorado, you know where to stop.
Definitely.
Colorado calls.
So we hope you liked that video. It took us back to a time when we were in a beautiful, beautiful camper, much different from what we have now. And yeah, it just brings us back to some very fond memories. We hope you liked this video. If you did, please like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.